Hello, welcome to Texture Math. In this session, we will learn about one more built-in function that is percentage ELEM. So here I have created one example for that. So let's go through that program. So we are writing the code in fully free format, and here I have declared some control options, that is no debug IO and src This is mainly for debugging purpose. Okay, so now before to discuss with these lines of code, I first of all I will tell you about the exact definition and syntax for this EM function. ELEM function. So ELEM function is used to get the dimension of the array. Suppose if the requirement is that we are using one array into the program, and if you want to find out the exact dimension of that program using the source code, then we can use this function percentage lm. So let's now we will see how it works. So here on line number 14 I'm declaring one array. So my array name is amount, and it is of numeric 2, and the dimension of this array is 15. So here we are defining it, that's why we know that the dimension of this array is this. But suppose if it we are referring it to some other program, and where we are not aware about, let's say if it is in declared in copybook and we are accessing it in some different program, in that case we will not be able to find out the exact dimension of this function, this array. So in that case we will only use this percentage ELEM function. So here on line number 18 I'm declaring one variable which will hold the value of my dimension, which is of numeric type, and I'm initializing it so that it will not contain any garbage value. And just for the testing purpose we have stored some values to this array also. So I'm assigning there are 5 dimension, and for the 5 dimension I'm assigning the values as 30, 20, 10, 40, 40. Okay, now from here line number 29 the main logic is started. So here we are using this percentage ELEM. So syntax is quite simple for this ELEM function, because here we just need to pass the expression for which we want to calculate the dimension. Okay, and make sure that you are passing only the array in this as an argument, otherwise it will not work. So amount is my array name, so I'm passing it to this ELEM function. So now what it will do, it will calculate the dimension of this function, and it will be stored into this dimension variable. And after that we are on line number 33, we are just displaying the dimension. And after that we are just setting star inlr equals to star on. So here the program will get ended. So now we will compile this program and we'll see whether we are getting the correct output or not. So yes, we are getting the output as 15. Why? Because the length because the dimension of this array is 15. So here you can find it easily from the declaration part, like it is of dimension 15. But suppose if we are referring it to some other program by using copybook, in that case we will not sure, we are not sure that how much dimension we have for this array. So in such scenarios we will use this percentage ELEM function to get the dimension. So yeah, that's it for this session. In the upcoming session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Texture Math.